Ginger tea is a popular beverage. It is made by steeping ginger in boiling water. This process extracts the flavor and beneficial compounds from the ginger root. The result is a warm, spicy drink. It is enjoyed for its taste and potential health benefits. Ginger tea is not technically a true tea. This is because it does not come from the tea plant, Camellia sinensis. However, it is widely referred to as tea due to its brewing method and consumption as a hot beverage. Ginger tea can be enjoyed on its own, or with additions like honey, lemon, or other herbs and spices. This beverage has a long history of use in traditional medicine. It is believed to offer a range of health benefits. These include aiding digestion, reducing nausea, and boosting the immune system. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the origins, preparation methods, health benefits, and potential side effects of ginger tea. Join us as we uncover the wonders of this spicy infusion. The history of ginger is a long and fascinating one. It dates back thousands of years. Ginger originated in Southeast Asia. From there, it spread throughout the world. It was a valuable spice. Ancient civilizations, including the Chinese and Indians, recognized the medicinal properties of ginger. They used it extensively in their traditional healing practices. Ginger was a remedy for various ailments. These included nausea, colds, and arthritis. Over time, ginger made its way to Europe via the spice trade routes. During the Roman Empire, ginger was a highly sought-after commodity. It was used in food and medicine. The popularity of ginger continued to grow through the Middle Ages. It remained a staple spice. Today, ginger is enjoyed worldwide. It is a versatile ingredient. It is used in sweet and savory dishes. It is also a popular ingredient in traditional medicines and home remedies. The enduring legacy of ginger is a testament to its flavor and therapeutic properties. Preparing a soothing cup of ginger tea is a simple process. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, 1 cup or 8 ounces of water, honey or lemon optional. To taste instructions: 1. Wash and peel the ginger root. Slice it thinly or grate it using a fine grater. 2. In a small saucepan, bring the water to a boil. 3. Add the prepared ginger to the boiling water. 4. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you simmer, the stronger the flavor will be. 5. Remove from heat and strain the tea into a mug. 6. Add honey or lemon to taste if desired. Your comforting cup of ginger tea is ready to be enjoyed. Savor the warmth and spicy aroma as you sip on this soothing beverage. While the classic ginger tea recipe is delightful on its own, there are numerous ways to customize your brew and enhance its flavor profile. Here are a few variations to tantalize your taste buds. Turmeric, ginger tea. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your boiling water along with the ginger. Turmeric not only imparts a vibrant yellow hue, but also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Honey lemon, ginger tea. Sweeten your ginger tea with a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This combination is particularly soothing for sore throats. Maple ginger tea. For a touch of natural sweetness, stir in a tablespoon of maple syrup into your brewed ginger tea. The maple syrup adds a unique depth of flavor. Black pepper ginger tea. Adding a pinch of black pepper to your ginger tea may enhance the absorption of ginger's beneficial compounds. It also adds a subtle kick to the flavor. Feel free to experiment with different flavor combinations and find your perfect cup of ginger tea. Whether you prefer it sweet, tangy, or with a hint of spice, the possibilities are endless. Ginger has been recognized for its therapeutic properties for centuries. Modern science is beginning to uncover the mechanisms behind these traditional uses. Let's explore the potential health benefits of ginger tea nausea relief. Ginger is perhaps best known for its ability to alleviate nausea. It has been used to ease morning sickness, motion sickness, and nausea associated with chemotherapy. Anti-aging properties. Ginger contains antioxidants, which may help protect against cell damage and reduce inflammation, potentially slowing down the aging process. Blood pressure regulation. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of ginger may help lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Pain relief. Ginger possesses anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce pain and stiffness associated with conditions like osteoarthritis and muscle soreness. Immune support. Ginger's antiviral and antibacterial properties may help strengthen the immune system and fight off infections. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of ginger's health benefits, incorporating ginger tea into your diet may offer a natural way to support your overall well-being. While ginger tea is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and exercise caution in certain situations. Digestive issues. Consuming large amounts of ginger tea may cause mild digestive discomfort, such as heartburn, diarrhea, or stomach upset. Blood clotting. Ginger may slow blood clotting, so it's crucial to consult your doctor if you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medications. Pregnancy. While ginger is often recommended for morning sickness, pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before consuming ginger tea, especially in high amounts. Interactions with medications. Ginger may interact with certain medications, so it's always best to speak to your doctor before adding ginger tea to your diet if you are taking any medications. Moderation is key when it comes to ginger tea. Enjoy its flavor and potential benefits, but be mindful of your body's response and consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Ginger tea has been a beloved beverage for centuries, transcending cultures and generations. Its spicy warmth, soothing aroma, and potential health benefits continue to captivate tea enthusiasts worldwide. As we conclude our exploration of ginger tea, we invite you to share your experiences and insights. Have you tried ginger tea? What are your favorite ways to prepare it? Have you experienced any of its purported health benefits? We encourage you to share your thoughts, recipes, and questions in the comments section below. Let's create a space for conversation and shared knowledge about this remarkable brew. Your experiences may inspire others to discover the wonders of ginger tea. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to know what happens to your body when you start your day with a glass of apple cider vinegar, watch the video on your screen next.